vMeasure Parcel Turbo Device Installation. This video demonstrates the installation, calibration, and dimensioning process of the vMeasure Parcel Turbo. Let's start with unboxing the package. The package includes the following components: checkweigher profile with canopy, vision head unit, automated barcode scanner, power hub unit, 21-inch display, handheld barcode scanner, optional, load cell unit frame. Accessories including Bluetooth-enabled keyboard, mouse, zip ties, conveyor spare belt, and toolkit. Next, begin installing the device. First, prepare the weighing scale. The pre-assembled load cell unit is kept tight to prevent damage during transit. Using a 17mm spanner, loosen the lower protection nut on each of the 4 load cells. After loosening all 4 corners, place the provided metal frame over the load cell unit and secure it tightly using a 4mm Allen key. Slide the vision head unit into the vertical aluminum profile. Secure it firmly using a 4mm Allen key. The pre-assembled profile includes 2 cable routings, one for the vision head unit and another for the power hub unit. Take the vision head unit routing cables and start connecting. I/O terminal cables, micro HDMI cable, 4-pin power connector, Wi-Fi dongle, RS485 to USB module, Type A USB, Ethernet cable. Now, connect the automated barcode scanner by inserting it into the vertical aluminum profile positioned just behind the vision head unit. Tighten the screws firmly using a 6mm Allen key. Make sure the scanner is mounted securely and stands firm. Once mounted, connect the M12 power cable. Next, slide the power hub unit into the horizontal aluminum profile and tighten the screws using a 5mm Allen key. Then, connect the following cables: power cable plug, Type B USB, power hub unit power cord, RS232 to USB, USB Type A extension, 3-pin connector, and 4-pin connector. Now, mount the display securely onto the horizontal profile using a 5mm Allen key. Connect the HDMI cable to the display and display power cable. Next, mount the handheld barcode scanner on the right side of the vertical profile and secure it using a 5mm Allen key. This is an optional component, used only when the barcode is placed on the side of the parcel. Once mounted, plug its USB cable into the Type A female extension. Now, place the Bluetooth-enabled keyboard and mouse on the front channels for easy access to applications on the display. Next, mount the emergency stop button on the side of the vertical profile and secure it using a 4mm Allen key. Now, let's move on to the overall setup's mechanical adjustments and electrical connections. At the back side of the setup, connect the earthing lug to the warehouse's common earthing point. You'll also find 2 power cords, one for the conveyor and one for the dimensioner. Connect both to the warehouse AC supply. Once the voltage readings are confirmed, open the conveyor control box and turn on the MCB to power the conveyor. Next, switch on the power hub unit to power up the device. If the weighing scale indicator shows a value other than 0, press the left button repeatedly to bring the reading down to 0, and then press the arrow button to confirm. The vMeasure Parcel Turbo installation is now complete. Now, calibrate the system for accuracy. Go to the Settings menu and choose Calibration. The vMeasure Parcel Turbo is designed to calibrate automatically for simplified operation. Click the Calibrate button and make sure the work area and weighing scale are clear. Calibration completes in just a few seconds. The system is now calibrated and ready for measurement. Let's start measuring. You can proceed by clicking the Go to Measure button or by selecting Measurement from the main menu. Place the parcel or SKU within the ROI. The system automatically captures dimensions, weight, barcode, and 4K images in one scan. The vMeasure Parcel Turbo is now fully installed, calibrated, and ready for operation. Experience fast, accurate, and reliable dimensioning for every parcel.